the brands na nandito, it's all because of God. So let's always thank them. Thank Him. Thank Him for all the blessings. And ayan, syempre hindi naman kami tatagal ng ganito kung hindi dahil sa Kanya, di ba?
Ay, maganda